Welcome, I'm Kai, your PAS-X documentation research assistant. I'm designed to help you access, learn about, and use PAS-X more quickly and efficiently. Let me guide you through how to use my features effectively and purposefully. Let's start with my interface. The main area is our conversation space. To start chatting with me, simply enter your prompt in the text input field, and I'll be ready to assist you. I can help you with research and tasks related to multiple PAS-X products, like MES, PAS-X2X, PDA, and Track and Trace. You can select which product you need help with using the button in the chat field. To get the best results, start with a clear task and type your question to me. Be as precise as possible. Once you hit the send button, I'll immediately begin generating a response. To ensure I provide accurate support, I'll first ask which product version you're using. Don't worry, you can update this anytime later in the settings. You can save useful prompts for future conversations with me. Your saved prompts are accessible from your prompt catalog located beneath our chat input field. I provide responses in text form and may include links or attachments when necessary. To view a source, simply click on the file. It will open in the right-hand panel for easy previewing. You can copy, share, or favorite my answers, or even have them read out loud. I welcome your feedback. If something in my response doesn't seem right, please provide feedback. You can choose from pre-filled options or click Other to add a custom comment and help me improve. If you find my answer helpful, you can give it a thumbs up or save it by clicking the heart icon. The response will be added to your favorites list, which you can access anytime from the left-hand panel. Our messages are color-coded for clarity, and each is marked with an avatar to distinguish you from me. In the settings, you can view and manage the versions you have selected via drop-down and update them at any time if necessary. You can also change the language and activate or deactivate automatic correct spelling. If you have suggestions or general feedback about how I can better assist you, simply click on the feedback icon in the header. A window will open where you can share your thoughts with me. Your input helps me become an even better PAS-X documentation assistant for you. Now you're ready to get the most out of our conversations. Let's get started.